guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Congrats to the giveaway winner. The giveaway winner of my last video is Julissa369. So shout out to you, girl. Thank you for showing so much love and support to my channel. Thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway. I will be doing more giveaways in the future, so don't feel sad if you didn't win, because I do a lot of giveaways here in my channel. So stay tuned, keep watching my videos, and keep entering the giveaways. Anyways, in today's video, I am going to be testing out this blow dryer. Oh my god, this is the Ghd Helios professional hair dryer. Ghd actually sent this to me. They are not sponsoring today's video. They just sent me this to test out and to give you guys my honest opinion. They even sent me this cute little note, which is adorable, so thank you so much for sending me this. But you guys know I will be honest no matter what. If I don't like this, I'll tell you guys. If I love this, I will tell you guys. I'm gonna be completely honest, how I always am in my videos. By the way, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. This is my Instagram right here. Go ahead and check it out. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on here on YouTube. I post a lot of my modeling and acting work. I post a lot of selfies, pictures with my fiance, and a lot of random stuff like mini hair tutorials. So go ahead and check out my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. So guys, this retails for $250. Oh my god, this is so expensive. They actually sent me 2 brushes as well, which is like so kind of them to do, because now I'm able to test out the blow dryer with different brushes and see how I feel about them. So here's this brush. As you can see, they did say that these brushes that they sent to me were the best ones for my hair type, so we'll see about that. And this is the other one. These are the biggest sizes as well, so I really appreciate that they sent me the biggest size brushes that they have, because I really need that. So let's open up the blow dryer and let's see what it looks like. Here it is. Ta-da! How adorable. I'm gonna time this, by the way, and I'm gonna let you guys know how long it takes me to do my hair with this blow dryer. If you have been following me for a while now, you know that I don't usually use blow dryers like this, so this will be interesting to see how I feel about this different type of blow dryer, because lately I've been using, let me show you guys because I have it right here with me, but lately I've been using blow dryers like this, like with the brush attached to the blow dryer. So I don't know, we'll see how I feel about this, but I'm looking forward to trying something different. So I'm just gonna try this on the highest heat setting. I just feel like that works the best for me all the time. I'm actually going to attach this. Oh my god, I love how the cord is super long, so that's a big plus. The Ghd Platinum Plus also has a very long cord, and I love that. It's super helpful. Let's see if this $250 blow dryer is worth it. So yeah, I'm gonna try this brush first, and then I'll try the other one, but let's do this. I'm so not used to these blow dryers anymore. I hope my hair turns out super nice. I don't want to say too much yet because I haven't done all my hair, but that was like very fast, and my hair feels super soft. It looks very sleek. It really is like a next level blow dryer. Like, so far I like it, but I don't want to say too much because sometimes I like it like the first section, and then I'm like, oh, actually that took me so long to blow out my hair. But the brush is amazing. I love this brush. It feels amazing. It doesn't pull my hair. Okay, so let's do this section right here with this brush. yeah, it's like definitely leaving my hair pretty straight and sleek and super soft. Let me do all my hair and I'll let you guys know how I feel about all the brushes and the blow dryers. Okay, so my hair is not as smooth as I would want it to be, and I feel like the part in the middle is just not flattering. I think I'm gonna do something kind of like to the side and see how I can style my hair like that better. Okay guys, so here's what my hair looks like once I put it kind of like to the side and once I kind of shape the ends a little bit. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I like how my hair turns out, but I'm sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. I like how my hair turns out, but I do kind of feel like it needs to be even more sleek, like even more flat. And I don't think it has anything to do with the blow dryer. I honestly think that I just need more practice using this blow dryer and a regular brush, because I got so used to using a hair tool like this one where the brush is attached to the blow dryer. So this is a little bit easier to use than your regular, you know, blow dryer and a brush. So let's talk about pros and cons. So something that I like about this blow dryer is that it is so strong, it's so powerful. Like you really feel like the quality of this blow dryer. Like it feels like good quality stuff. I really like the brushes as well. I feel like I ended up using this one a lot more. This is like the rougher one, but I feel like this is better for the roots, and this actually got my hair more sleek than this one, so I was surprised about that. But these brushes are amazing. So let's talk about the cons, because I do have some. I like this blow dryer, but I think it took me a little bit too long to do my hair. Like it almost took me an hour to do my hair. It took me about 50 minutes, as you can see. And to me, that is a lot of time, considering that it only takes me 35 to 40 minutes to do all my hair with other hair tools that I have, and the finished look is a lot more sleek. So I do get a quicker blowout with other hair tools that I have, and I like how my hair turns out a little bit better. But I will say, for you to use a blow dryer like this with, you know, like a regular brush, I feel like you need some skills. I feel like you need some practice. I feel like if I practice a lot, then I can totally get a very nice blowout. But again, I haven't used a blow dryer like this in so long. I mean, I think it's been like a year. Like, I really don't use blow dryers like this to blow out my hair. But imagine like a professional, skilled hairdresser using this blow dryer and these brushes to blow out hair. I mean, they would be in love because they already got that like technique down pat. I will use this again, and I want to get the diffuser attachment because I feel like that would be amazing for my curly hair to diffuse my hair. I mean, I would love that, so I'm definitely gonna get that to try it out, and I'll maybe even film a video for you guys. But for the first time using a blow dryer and a regular brush after like at least a year, I think that the final result is pretty cute. I mean, I feel like I can totally go out like this. I mean, if I had to blow out my hair with this and then just use a straightener, then that would be fine. Sometimes, honestly, with other hair tools that I use, even the Revlon and the hot tools, I sometimes have to go in with a straightener anyways because my hair is so thick and curly that sometimes my roots aren't completely straight and I have to go in with a straightener, especially if it's like super humid outside. It will get poofy, so I have to go in with a straightener. So like right now I would probably straighten my hair a little bit just to get it even a little bit more sleek, but I really like how my hair turned out. I mean, I think it has a lot of volume, but I think I look fine. You know what I would love? Like, I would absolutely love, like so much, I would love it if GHD would come out with a blow dryer like this style. That would be amazing. Imagine having a very nice GHD brush attached to a very nice GHD blow dryer. I mean, that would be a game changer. I mean, that would be insane. GHD, if you're gonna come out with something like that, make sure that you send it to me or let me know at least so I can buy it right away. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on here on YouTube, so go ahead and check out my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye.